Everybody, this is the next video, the one more video for I find my mommy and baby in the forest. So he's still sitting on the land, and she's taking care of the baby, and the baby under the pail, and also holding the baby is holding his mommy do not get it fall down, and he's still to take it a lunchtime and fresh meal from the mommy. The mommy still sitting a comfortable place for her baby to take a rest and sleep a couple minutes. And one more way, this is the two kid baby always play on the tree, and this is the mommy. She always to stand by near both of them, and we can approach them with silent and quiet and with respectful to her and her decided us to take a movie and videos. When the mommy heard something to be afraid the baby, he must quickly to catch up the baby on her whole body and hug the body to protect them, and then skip away far from the voice sound from the other side to affect it. That is a natural culture of them. Finally he looking the place for said, oh my god, he fight. Why? Oh, I don't know why. So what they doing? Oh my god, don't hit my mommy. Don't hit my mommy. That is my mommy. So, oh, my baby is under. Oh my god, he is not so lovely. He hit my mommy. Oh my god. My mommy, are you okay, my mommy? Are you fine? Oh my god, my mommy, oh my god. Oh, why? You make me cry. You hit my mommy, my baby. Hey, elder brother, support mommy. My baby, my baby. Oh, I'm sad. You get hungry. Oh my god. Yes, please eat fast, please. Yeah, somebody approach you right now. Yeah. Oh my god. That one is the male boss, I think. Oh my god. That mommy, come here together. Mommy. Oh, it looks so pretty, baby. Oh yes, please eat for more power to support your baby, please. Yeah, take your time and enjoy. Don't rush. Take it. Oh, look so cute. Hello, my baby. Hello. Oh, it's moved 30 seconds, mommy. Oh, she stopped to eat and move. Oh, she moved here. She looking the place for rest. Oh, my baby's always on the back, his mommy. Oh, great. You look so cute. Oh, he's sitting on the behind your back. Oh, he fall. He's got down. Yes, this the place for safe for sitting together with the mommy. Oh, climb up. Oh, see, he's always climb up, sitting on the back. Greatest, incredible. Oh my god. Oh. Mommy? Mommy? Oh. See, look at fish. She tried to find the food. Alright, thank you so much for your watching. Please comment and sharing your ideas up below. Thank you so much. Thank you.